Okay, so imagine your roommate hasn't slept, drank way too much coffee, and every time you start stressing, they're like, "Bro, relax. You're doing too much." That's basically Buddhism. People think Buddhism is like monks, mountains, silence, enlightenment, and deleting all emotions like it's an app. Nope. Buddhism is more like, yeah, life's kind of uncomfortable sometimes. Stop arguing with it. Buddha's first big statement wasn't dramatic. It was just honest. He said, life includes suffering. Not your life is broken suffering. More like, you thought things would stay comfortable, but now you're offended that they didn't. Your tired roommate version of Buddhism is like, you expected permanent peace in a world that updates every 5 minutes. The suffering isn't life happening. The suffering is you saying, this wasn't supposed to happen to me. Buddha said, from attachment comes suffering. Attachment is when happiness has conditions. I'll be calm when life settles. I'll be confident when I become someone else. Buddha's insight was simple. You're tying your peace to things that keep changing, and then acting surprised when peace doesn't stick. So next time you spiral, don't fight the feeling. Don't judge it. Just notice it. Like, anxiety is here. Early today, Buddha said, observe the mind, and it settles, which in normal human language means you don't have to obey every thought your brain yells. Some thoughts are just noise. You don't argue with traffic. You let it pass. Buddhism won't fix your life. It just teaches you how to stop fighting it. You'll still feel anxious. You'll still want things. You'll still mess up. The difference is, you stop turning every feeling into an emergency. Buddha didn't say, don't feel. He said, don't cling. Thoughts come, emotions pass, and you don't have to follow every one of them like it's a command. If you want to learn how to live with a quieter mind, not a perfect one, stick around. We're practicing how to exist without constantly arguing with our own thoughts.